Schultz Lake is one of Alberta's 48 important bird areas. The birds which qualify this site are primarily snow geese. Each year during their fall migration, tens of thousands of snow geese and other waterfowl stop over at this lake in east central Alberta. The concentrations of waterfowl here are so great that BirdLife International and the Canadian partners consider Schultz Lake globally significant. To help ensure the conservation of IBAs in the province, Nature Alberta is seeking volunteer caretakers who will monitor these bird hotspots over the years ahead. What helps the monitoring of Schultz is a good road that hugs the lake almost halfway around. And there's more to Schultz than waterfowl. If you can count, all you need is a good scope.